no?
Ang natang ka namin yung print ng picture.
Happy birthday, Mia!
Okay, so before we sing a birthday song for Miguel, wow! Let's say hi to say hi to Miguel. Okay. Power number.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time. How Kuya Miguel?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Okay, so let's all count 5 to 1 and let's all shout happy birthday, Miguel, and Miguel will blow the candle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Okay, so hindi ako parang nag-McDonald's and McDonald's sa Buktan. We have a special gift for Miguel to be given. Any birthday? Daddy first.
Wish? May wish kayo? Miguel? Wish! Ako, ang wish ko dyan, lumaki katulad ko.
Ayaw!
How about Mami?
Salamat nag-enjoy kayo sa birthday ni Miguel. Wish ko kay Miguel, sinabi ko nga na lumaki siyang mabait. Miguel,
Katulad ko.
be good boy. Yeah, study well. But you will answer to me. Okay, thank you.
Oh, and now, how about Good Miguel, do you have any birthday wish?
More toys.
Say what's on your birthday?
Thank you, the cake. Thank you, the dinner. Thank you, the water. Thank you, the gift. Thank you, the